Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a LENOVO Tab E10 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to find a section which is called Security and Location. Then let's scroll down to find Encryption and Credentials, and as you can see at the very bottom of this list we've got the option we're looking for, so let's tap on it and confirm it with OK. And we should get the information that we just successfully removed the certificates, but as you can see in this device we do not have that kind of information, but no worries, for sure you've just removed the certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.